Aloha! Tom here from CoCraft Brand Products, and today I want to share with you information about my new 18 cavity musubi maker. We call it the Bambucha. Like the Mobeta 9 cavity musubi maker, the Bambucha is made with heavy gauge stainless steel, removable dividers, accompanied with a 3-pad press, precision alignment, and dishwasher safe. In addition to having multiple handles, the Bambucha also features the addition of 4 legs to raise the frame up in order to remove the rice blocks. The Bambucha is slightly shorter than the Mobeta mold since it is intended to only make the rice block, where the Spam or the filling will be added at a later step. This height of rice block plus a slice of Spam will accommodate the largest possible Spam musubi that will fit within the length of a nori sheet. Knowing that the top edge of the mold is the max height of a rice block, this will guide you in forming the rice blocks with consistent height. Begin the process by laying the 18 cavity maker flat on a sanitized countertop or a cutting mat or a sheet of parchment paper with the 4 legs rotated to the up position. Then proceed to fill each cavity. A mold holds up to 6 cups of cooked rice. This can be accomplished by spooning the rice in with a rice paddle, or dumping the cooked rice onto the mold and spreading it around evenly, or use an ice cream scoop to evenly fill each cavity. Fill to the top edge of the mold for a maximum size Spam musubi, or fill it about 80% or 5/6 full when adding 2 ingredients like Spam and egg, but the size is entirely up to you. Now remove the rice blocks by standing the mold up. You can do this by lifting up the mold with one hand and rotating the legs to the down position with the other hand. When all 4 legs are erected, simply push the right blocks down the bottom of the mold using the 3-pad press. Now on to the next step in the assembly process. Prepare the toppings like Spam and egg. These could be made in parallel to creating the rice blocks, reducing the time to complete. Now the next step is to simply add your favorite toppings: Spam, terry Spam, Spam and egg, fotokake, tofu, whatever your family or customer likes. Now the last step is to wrap the musubi with a half sheet or less of nori. The quickest and most efficient way that I found is to wrap the musubi from the top. Place the nori sheet in the middle of the musubi and wrap around. It's easy and quick. I like using a 3rd sheet strip. It leaves a little edge exposed so the customer can see what they're getting, with enough strength to hold the musubi together when eating by hand. And there you have it, the new 18 cavity musubi maker, enabling you with the ability to mass produce many musubi quickly, efficiently, and with minimal staff. If you like this video, please give it a like and remember to subscribe. Mahalo!